How to replace a 2022 Ford Explorer. 3-button flip key remote battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
All right, let's go ahead and change the battery out on our 3-button flip key remote here. For this task, you will need a flat tip screwdriver, so let's get started. First, let's open it up. After you open it up, you'll notice where the key sits in here, the back side of the remote. This doesn't have the Ford emblem. Yours will, hopefully. If you look right in here, there's a little indentation. Push that, and you should twist a little, and she'll pop out. Once she does that, lift it open. You'll notice right here, the battery needs to be pushed that way, so let's go ahead and push it and lift up. Battery came out. It's a CR2032 battery. Now when you reinstall it, positive side up, put it towards that lip again, push in, push down, take your backing on there, and there you go. You did it. Thanks again for watching. Leave a comment down below, give us a thumbs up if we helped you. Have a good day.